So I am just making my entry for Amber Kintyre Crafts giveaway. It would be actually closed probably by the time you see this video, but if you don't know Amber's channel, do pop over and have a look. She does crafts with resin and she does paper crafts, she makes cards, she does some beautiful mixed media pieces, so much stuff that I just would love to try, and I have on my list of things to try. Actually, that's why I actually purchased some resin. She inspired me and I've done a video about some pieces that I bought, some resin pieces, bits and bobs, so that I can actually give it a go. Yep, so I was totally inspired by Amber. I will link her page, her channel down below. Do pop over. She does do other giveaways, so even though you won't be in time for this particular giveaway, she does do some every now and again, so I'm sure you'll be able to join in the next one. So with all of that saying, she wanted you to send to her some banner pieces. I think it was one. I've done 3. And she wanted to be able to put those up in her craft room. She showed a couple of examples of so that you could get the measurements right. I will also link that video down below, even though probably by the time you see this video the giveaway will be closed, because it is the 17th of August and I'm pre-recording this and I am sending it quite late, quite close to the deadline. So yeah, so without further ado, let me jump right in, and I have these gold pieces that I'm going to stick on, and I'm going to stamp some words out, some phrases about crafting, because it's going to be in her craft room. So I thought that that would be, you know, something really cute and nice, so that when she looks up she will see some, you know, crafty inspiration words, something nice. So yeah, I thought that I would have that. So the ones I picked out, these are from the Julie Nutting stamps. It's got create something magical and also craft time is the best time, and I thought these are just the right size to be able to fit on these little dies. These are the dies, guys, the nesting dies that I got from Ali. I'm not sure what order my next few videos are going out in, so you might have seen the Ali haul, or you might not, or it might be the next video, so you will see what I purchased from Ali. So yeah, I thought these were super cute. How are you guys getting on? I know that we've been having some super duper hot weather. It's nice in the mornings if you go out early. It's warm and there's a nice, I don't know, it's not a breeze, but it's just cooler. Because I actually went out this morning about 8 o'clock and it was absolutely lovely. But then yeah, once you get to like 10, 11, oh, the heat, guys, the heat. So I've stuck those on. And so also, actually, I forgot to tell you, I have this image here. So this is the one that's going to go in the middle. And this image I got from the Crafters, I think it's Crafters Companion, the Sassy and Classy. Now I haven't hauled these on here, so I'll show you. So this is the one that I actually use, Sassy and Classy Crafters Companion. Those are the stamps that you get the lady sitting on a sewing machine with her scissors, and it says dressed to impress, cute and classy, the world is your catwalk, and you got short and sassy, and you got a bow and some scissors. You can layer the pieces up to, you know, give a bit of dimension there. And so yeah, I thought that was super cute, so up my street. There's an example of a card they made. There's also this one. This was a 7-piece stamp collection, and this one says true friends are never apart, maybe in distance, never in heart. And then you've got do what makes you happy, thinking of you, and then you've got the cat and the girl sitting on a windowsill looking out of the window, and I thought that was super cute. I also picked up the this one with the girls having a drink, getting ready, having fun, and it says, "We'll always be friends, you match my level of crazy, just for you, partners in crime." And then they do give you the other little bits of stamps so that you can layer up, so giving it really a nice 3D feel. You can see here they've used them on the side just to embellish the card there. And then the last one that I got in the thing, I think there's some, I don't know if I've got all of them that are in this little collection of Sassy and Classy. I'll tell you, I did pick these up from the works, so I think they are still there because I was looking for something else and I saw them. So hopefully when you see this video, they will still be available. I purchased these online and then got them, so obviously, yeah, I got them sent to me. Not sure, I have been in the works because I've been, sorry, squirrel brain, I've been doing kids back to school shopping, so we've been stationery shopping, so I did go in the works, but I haven't seen these in the works. I've only seen them online, so I don't know if your local one will actually have them in store, but if not, check them out online. And then this one of the lady in her lovely comfy chair reading books, and then it said "Too glam to give a damn." It says "Wake up and make up, hello gorgeous," which I love, and then you have the other little bits of stamps there that you can use to build up your pictures. So I have actually stamped them out and coloured them because, you know, I like to do my master sheets. And so I decided to use this one with the girl with the green and the pink. I thought it set it off nice. I've already put on some dots to prop it up. It is slightly bigger than the dimensions, but I think that will be okay. It just hangs over slightly, and that's what's going to be in my middle one. And then I just need to stamp my my words here. Oh, and I just point out these flowers were from Handmade by Abigail. She does, I don't know, I haven't checked recently, but she does, or she has done in the past, sold some flowers and things online on her eBay. I don't have the details to hand right now, but what I can do is link to her channel, and then you'll be able to find out information from there, or you can message her and find out the information that way. But super cute, and I thought they go, even though there's a rainbow of colors here, but it does have the green and the orangey kind of peachy color, and I think that it sets it off really nicely. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stamp out my little words here. I've got my trusty little bits of scrap paper here, lovely scrap paper, and I'm going to use those to stamp lots of them because you never know when you might need some more, and it's just helpful to have those already stamped and ready to go. I like to build up a little stash of these bits and pieces, so when you're crafting you don't have to stop and sort of like stamp things out and color things and cut them out. It's just really handy to have them already done. So just got some Memento tuxedo black there, and then we're gonna just stamp it out. Let's move those out of the way. And then phone just reliably told me that my storage was full, so I had to delete a few bits. Hopefully you heard what I was just saying. So yeah, I got a really lovely clear image from there. So I'll do a few more of these, and then I'll do a few more of the other ones, and then I'll be back. As once I'd stamped them out and cut out my phrases, this is the finished project. So yeah, Amber didn't want us, I say me, but us to put holes in. She said she'd do that herself. So these are my three little lost my words again, guys. These are my three little banner pieces, and I'll be shipping them out to Amber. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Tell me what you think about my little banners in the comments below, and guys, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.